Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today is a collaboration video with the company called COLEYES. So obviously I am always kind of interested in having like coloured contact lenses. These are specifically for people with dark eyes. So COLEYES did reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to accept 4 pairs of contact lenses. So 2 I could choose, 2 they were going to choose for me. So again, I don't know what the choices that they've made, but we're going to go through every set in a moment. So stay tuned for the try on and everything. So, and if you are interested in buying from COLEYES direct, so you can use my discount code. So the discount code to use is called Jane and Louise. I'll leave it on the screen if you're interested. So let's get into this unboxing. So obviously your lenses come like this. Lovely sort of ombre packaging there in my favourite colours, which are like pinks and stuff. So inside we have obviously a selection of lenses, which we're going to go through in a moment. They've also provided the little tool thing, which I think helps to take them out and actually helps to put them in. I'm not the best at putting in contact lenses. I'll tell you how easy it's been for me. As I say, I don't wear them on a regular basis. I think I went through a stage of wearing contact lenses, but because I've got like astigmatism and I have I'm short-sighted and long-sighted, it gets a bit complicated. But you can get COLEYES in a prescription if you do need prescription contact lenses. The colours are beautiful. There's lots and lots to choose from. Here's just a little example of the booklet here of some of the colours that they do. Again, they are for dark eyes. So as you can see from this sort of picture here, you can see how dark your eye can be and how dramatically changed it can go to. With having brown eyes, sometimes it's nice to have a different colour because it completely changes the way you look. So what I'm going to do, as I say, COLEYES is designed for brown eyes. I don't think it means that you have to wear them if you haven't got brown eyes. It's just obviously it's got good pigmentation in order to cover up your eyes. So first off, so yes, you get a little tool in there to help remove and help apply, which I'm going to undo in a moment. Let's get looking at the actual contact lenses. So the ones that I'm going to be trying are these ones, which are in the shade of glittering brown. Again, I'm not sure what they look like. They weren't one of the ones I think I picked. I kind of like blues and greens and greys, because obviously that's the most dramatic change for me. So I did pick up Barbie Blue, which I thought might be really, really good. This next box is Juliet Green, and then the last box is New York Blue. So yeah, that one would be a nice one as well. So I'm going to start off with the glittering brown. I'm just going to go wash my hands, so I'll be back to you in a second. Right guys, I am back. So first off, I'm just going to open this sort of little applicator. I've never used these before. If I've been putting lenses in myself, I kind of use my finger, but it can be a little bit difficult when you have sort of nails on as well. So this is kind of like a little tool. It's got a little pincher. I'll call it a pincher. I don't know if that's the name of it. But it's a little sort of tool in order to help you sort of grab the lens when you take it out. So I'll be using that. And I'll also be using this little applicator that's going to help you sort of put the lens in place, because it can be quite difficult if you're trying to use your finger at the same time. So first off, we're going to undo the sort of glittering brown ones. So these are the glittering brown. They kind of look kind of dark with a dark sort of rim around the outside. Right, I've got the first one ready. You kind of have to check that it's not the wrong way round. You can usually tell when it's sort of like got a little bit of a turn on the end. Right, first one is in. Sorry, it took me a little while to get that in. Because I'm not used to it as well. It's making my eye water. But as you can see this one's got the lens in. Sorry, I couldn't use the applicator. I just couldn't get used to that. Maybe with a bit of practice. So this one's the one with the lens in. If you can see, they'll probably settle down in a minute. And this is my eye without. And they're kind of a bit bigger, if you know what I mean. Look at the size of my eye are the size of my eye and how big this one is. Made my eye water. If you're used to doing lenses, then you won't have a problem. But yeah, I actually quite like that. It's very kind of natural. As I say, it does look a little bit bigger than my eye. But yeah, it looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna put the other one in. I'll try and put the other one in, but I'll do it off camera because you don't want me poking my eye in. But obviously I'll show you with the next colour in a sec, so I'll be back to you in a moment. Hi guys, so this is the final look of the contact lenses. I might have got this one inside out because it kind of feels a little bit like there's something pricking. I think I have probably got it inside out. Usually you can tell if it's inside out. They look really, really nice. They're not brown at all. They sort of give you like a hazel look. This one is totally fine. I put that one in absolutely fine, but I love the colour of them. They look amazing. Yeah, I can't believe how much they've changed my eyes, and these are just the brown ones. So yeah, let's try the next ones. Right, next up I'm going to try the Barbie Blue. These should be quite dramatic. So exciting. So let's just get everything out. They kind of look like that in the packet. Again, they've got kind of like a large sort of rim around the outside. Right. The first one is in. Oh my god. Oh, how beautiful are they? They look so good. Oh my god. Oh, I just love blue eyes. Yeah, I've got to say, absolutely love them. I'm going to put the other one in now. Bear with me one sec. Right, so there is the other lens in. Absolutely love these. You have to blink a couple of times just to get used to them, because my eyes watering a little bit. It sort of affects my vision. That'll just clear up in a few minutes, because when I had the brown ones in, I felt completely fine afterwards, apart from this one that I thought was kind of like, I think I'd got it inside out. That was totally my fault. But I absolutely love these. How different do my eyes look? They're not like in your face. They don't look like fake at all. I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys, in the comments below, but I absolutely love them. So yeah, that's the Barbie Blue ones. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Right, so we're going to try the green ones. These are called Juliet Green. See what they're like as well. So in the packet, they kind of look like that. They kind of follow the similar sort of format as the others. These I think these ones look a little bit smaller. I mean, they're still big lenses, but it looks like the green area, because it's not got the rim. Like the other ones have got like the dark rim around them. These ones don't, so I think these ones might look a little bit smaller. But I'll just pop these ones in too. Yeah, bear with. Right, so there's the first one. Sorry, I've got more like saline solution on my face. Love these as well. Oh my god, how cute are they? I think I prefer these over the blue ones now. These might be my new favourite. Love them. So I'm just going to pop the other one in and you can have a look at the final look. Right guys, so these are the green ones. Excuse my slightly watery eyes. It's only because I'm not used to putting lenses in. So yeah, I had to try a few attempts to get them in. They will settle down eventually. These are the Juliet Green ones. I think these are kind of my favourite ones. They look really, really nice. And they're not as kind of like big as the other ones. You know, the other ones have got like, I think I was saying before how they've got like a sort of dark circle around the outside, which I kind of like, but these are a little bit smaller. Obviously I absolutely love them. These are beautiful, so I'm going to take these out and I'm going to show you the last ones, which are the blue ones, and they're called New York 3 Blue. So we'll try those next. Right guys, I've got the first one in. This is the New York one. This eye seems to be quite easy to put in. It seems to be my left eye that's the issue. So yeah, I'm going to put the other one in. I love these as well. They are beautiful. They're gorgeous. I'm trying to see how they compare to the other blue ones. So I might just put a little bit of a side by side here so that you can see the difference. Because I can't quite remember now what the other ones look like. But I absolutely love these as well. These again don't have the dark rim around the outside. I don't know whether you prefer that or you don't. They have loads of different options. So they'll have something that suits your style. But I'm going to pop the other one in now and I'll show you the final look. Right guys, this is the other one. Again, apologies for my watery eyes. Again, I'm not used to putting lenses in. This is the last one now. I actually really love these. I don't know whether I prefer these ones to the other ones. Once you get used to putting lenses in, you'll be absolutely fine. I'm a little bit rubbish at it, so it did take me a couple of attempts to get the lenses in, but I was getting more used to it as I went along. And obviously keep trying in and out sets and stuff can be a little bit difficult, but you'll get the hang of it. Yeah, love these. I think they look so pretty, so beautiful. Yeah, so that's everything from COLEYES. Go check them out. I'll leave all the details linked below. Don't forget my discount code of Jane and Louise. And yeah, they last a year, so you're definitely going to get your money's worth, and you get to wear them on weekends or whatever. And yeah, they're really good. So they last a whole year, and you get all the kit with them as well. You get enough solution in the little trays, so you don't really have to buy extra solution. And obviously every pair does come with a little case as well to keep them safe and everything. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. See you guys. Bye.